I believe that the university experience is transformative in itself because it's a new experience both personally, academically, but also professionally. Through my experience here at university, I've been able to develop three crucial aspects of my life. Firstly, an intellectual curiosity that I didn't have before coming into Esade, and that has allowed me to develop two other crucial aspects, which are the academic and the professional. The internationality of Esade comes from two parts. Firstly, it's the scope of its courses and the students that come from all over the world, but it's also about the exchange programs that the university offers you. Last year, we had the opportunity to go to Sciences Po in Paris. This year in June, we'll be going to Georgetown in the US. And next year, I'll be fortunate enough to go to Vancouver, to the University of British Columbia, where I'll do my compulsory exchange program for 5 months. During my experience, I've been able to do two different internships. Firstly, I did one here in Barcelona with an NGO where I worked for 6 months on a project, and then I was able to implement it in Sierra Leone. And the second one that I was able to do was at the European Parliament back in December last year. And I did a 3-month traineeship with an MEP that was sitting in different committees. I've been able to take different courses, all tackling international affairs from different perspectives, being exposed to the ideas of different professors. And then there's also the community aspect of Esade, which is being exposed to many different ideas, values, and perspectives. And it also allows you to think outside the box. I joined the student council, and only a few months ago I got the chance to create my own association, which is called the International Politics Economics Association. I believe that one of the most valuable experiences that I've been able to get from this university was my participation at the European Council simulation back in April of this year in Brussels, where I was able to join the Spanish delegation as the role of the ambassador, and the real value in it was the authenticity of the experience. For any student that is interested in coming to Esade, I would like to tell them two things. Firstly, take every single opportunity that you get through your course and the different classes that you're able to take, but also the ones that you can take outside of the classroom through the different associations, events, and conferences that you're able to attend.